Whether you're lighting up the trail, cruising through the city, or just want that aggressive custom look, your Ford F-150 deserves headlights that do more than just shine. In this video, we're counting down the best headlights that boost visibility, style, and safety. Let's fire them up and find the perfect match for your truck. At number 5, we have the Nilight headlight assembly, a reliable upgrade for 2004 to 2008 Ford F-150 owners who want a solid balance of performance and ease. With a true plug-and-play design, there's no need for modifications or drilling. Just install and go. These OE standard headlights are IP65 rated and fully sealed, keeping out moisture and reducing fog with built-in ventilation holes that help maintain brightness and clarity. The beam is sharp and long-reaching, helping you spot wildlife, debris, or sudden obstacles on dark roads before they become a threat. They're also DOT and SAE compliant for safe driving, and the included adjustment screw lets you dial in the perfect beam angle. Simple to install and dependable in performance, the Nilight headlight assembly gets the job done without breaking the bank. Coming in at number 4, the AmeriLite Projector Halogen headlights are a slick upgrade for 2009 to 2014 Ford F-150 owners looking to boost both style and performance. These headlights are a direct OEM replacement with no modifications needed, just plug and play. Installation is quick and painless, but the real impact is in the transformation they bring. The clean, sporty look instantly modernizes your truck, with a light output that's sharp, focused, and a major improvement over factory units. They meet or exceed DOT and SAE standards, so you're not just getting style, you're getting safe, reliable performance. Whether you're restoring a 2010 or just want to turn heads with a more aggressive front end, the AmeriLite headlights deliver on all fronts. At number 3, the DWVO headlight assembly brings rugged reliability and sharp looks to your 2004 to 2008 Ford F-150, designed with metallized reflectors that extend your light range. These headlights offer better visibility in low light conditions, boosting safety whether you're cruising at dusk or navigating stormy weather. The fully sealed construction with solid silicon keeps out moisture, preventing fogging even in rain, snow, or dusty trails. Built tough with durable polycarbonate lenses and high-impact housing, they hold up against road debris, off-road shocks, and anything the trail throws your way. Installation is quick, under 30 minutes, and the transformation is instantly noticeable. These headlights not only give your truck a refreshed, aggressive look, but they do it at a great price with a fit that feels factory-made. At number 2, the DNA motoring headlights are a fantastic option for 2004 to 2008 Ford F-150 owners looking for a quick, high-impact upgrade. These headlights are designed for a seamless fit, no struggles, no surprises, just a smooth DIY installation that instantly transforms your truck's appearance. Not only do they deliver a clean, modern look, but they also drastically improve brightness compared to old, faded factory lenses. With a tight seal that prevents leaks and fogging, you get reliable performance in all weather conditions. For the price, it's hard to beat the value. These headlights fit like a glove, shine brighter than ever, and give your F-150 a refreshed front end that truly stands out. And taking the top spot at number 1, the Autosaber 88 Projector headlights deliver a stunning combination of style, brightness, and durability for 2009 to 2014 Ford F-150 owners. These aren't just headlights, they're a complete front-end upgrade, featuring sleek LED daytime running lights that give your truck a bold, modern look while improving safety and visibility. Installation is straightforward with a precise fit, and the fully sealed housing with one-way vents ensures no moisture buildup or corrosion, no matter the weather. Inside, metallic parabolic reflectors boost light output and spread, while the anti-glare hood keeps everything focused and uniform. It's like a facelift for your F-150, cleaner, brighter, and tougher, and easily the best value when it comes to performance and appearance combined.